Hello everybody and welcome back. In the previous session, we talked about two common problems during training a model, overfitting and underfitting. And you understood what they are and when do they occur. In this session, I want to tell you how to reduce the risk of overfitting. But before that, if you haven't joined our channel yet, please subscribe. Now let's see how we can lessen the effect of overfitting. The answer is regularization. Regularization helps us to control our model capacity. We use regularization to make sure our model is good enough at making correct classifications on data points that it wasn't trained on, which we call it the ability to generalization. So by using regularization, we can reduce the risk of overfitting problem. However, too much regularization can run the risk of underfitting. In summary, regularization is a critical aspect of machine learning that we use it to control our model capacity, to reduce the risk of overfitting and generalize better. But we must be careful not to use it too much, because otherwise we run into underfitting problem. So we have to understand how to control the strength of our regularization. The answer is lambda variable. Lambda variable is a hyperparameter that controls the amount or strength of our regularization we are applying. Second only to your learning rate, regularization is the most important parameter that you should tune. There are various types of regularization techniques, such as L1, L2, or elastic net. The L2 regularization is the most common one in deep neural network, and the elastic net is a combination of L1 and L2. You can apply these three types during updating loss function. We also have type of regularization that can be explicitly added to network architecture like dropout. Examples of implicit regularization include data argumentation or early stopping. You will learn more about each of these methods later in this course. So when you train a model, you should be careful about loss function. Sometimes your model's prediction in training set is 100% accurate, but there's a high chance that your model fails to generalize, and that's what we call overfitting. Therefore, you have to understand whether you should use regularization or not, and if so, what type of regularization is suitable, and what is the proper value for lambda. Now that you've learned the basics, it's time to acquaint us with neural networks. Next session, we will learn fundamentals of neural networks. If you enjoyed this video, please like us. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell so whenever I publish the video, you will be notified.